Hello, the date is February 5th, 2010. This is the restoration of Viny 1971 Opel GT. It has 94,000 miles on it, and I'm doing a short documentary to show you guys at what point I'm at and what's going on. I have to thank one of our members who inspired the build of this rotisserie. Very good design, very good thread for anyone who's curious about it. It took me about a month to build the rotisserie and strip down the car. I'm up to about 70 hours of work. This car was completely original. It's never been restored. The last paint job was in 1984, and they did an absolute hack job on it. So finally now I get to make things right. This car was running very well when I stripped it down. Excellent daily driver, very reliable. I've put about 10,000 miles on this in 3 years, and nothing's ever broken down. Little quirks once in a while, but nothing serious. Typical rust spots for an Opel GT. So that is my mini video, little documentary, and I should be posting more pictures and updates on my progress. Thank you very much, and have a good day.